If I stood up and learn how to get cute free hair and items. And all you have to do is to launch find the browser. Then I'm going to search for Roblox.com. Then from here, you are going to play some few games, which is going to be one, Tech Quests. And then it's going to be this one, which you're going to click on it and you're going to play it, in which you're going to make sure that you've headed over to the ocean and you've swum until you've gotten a badge. The next one is going to be beat the scammers. And in this one, it's going to be this one in which you're going to make sure that you have spoken to 10 bots that are going to be here. And once you're done, you're going to receive a free gift. Another game that you're going to try is correct candies for UGC, which is going to be this one. And once you corrected some few candies, you're going to receive a free gift. Lastly, you're going to search for AFK for UGC. And in this one, all you have to do is to just stay in the game for as long as you can. And then once you're done, you will receive a free gift. Lastly is the creator challenge. And in the creator challenge, which is this one, you're going to answer some few surveys that they are going to ask you. And once you're done answering them, you are going to receive a free gift. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And also comment in the case that it did help. And I'll see you guys on the next video.